So this car is complaining about the door. Fuel door doesn't open, but as you can see there, it's opening. But if I'm gonna lock the vehicle, we should not be able to open this, but it's still opening. So we're gonna diagnose this. I think we're gonna have something on our actuator here. So we're gonna diagnose this and see if we have a problem with the actuator or a wiring. Because right now, it just keeps opening even though the car is locked. That should not be doing that. It's only when you unlock the door or the vehicle. Okay, so we're in the trunk. As you can see there, you have a cover here on this side, on your left side. When you open the trunk, you can pull that out and you get your rear smart junction box. At the very end there, let me see if you can see that. So you see that, oh no, my light is blocking. Okay, so as you can see there, that red and black connector or the wire, that's for our fuel door actuator. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug that and then check our resistance, and then if not, we can actuate it and make sure that our fuel door is working or that actuator is working or not, and we'll see. Oh, what's it? Okay, so I'm just gonna remove that. I know you guys can't see anything. Okay. Okay, here you go. Here's my connector. That's the component side, right? So I'm just gonna grab a multimeter just to make sure. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna check the resistance on that. Alright, so my meter is here. Okay, at least you guys can see that. Oh, check your meter. Okay, so you have good connection there. Okay, what do we have? As you can see there, you got 279 ohms. That's a lot for a motor or any actuator. So basically that's like a open circuit. So yeah, I got lucky that I am able to open that door. So I'm gonna continue this video and we're gonna show you on how to replace that actuator itself. And we know for sure that there's something wrong on that actuator or the motor. It's almost open circuit. It has high resistance. That's why it's not working. So let's wait for the new part. Hey guys, so the last time we had this vehicle, we got a problem with our fuel door actuator. So our part came in. It comes with the whole thing because there's no pricing yet. I guess it's too new. And I'm not sure if we can replace this guy here just by this guy. So now we're gonna be replacing this whole thing. The only my concern will be the door cover, right? I think that's the challenging part there. But other than that, we're gonna start removing this part here, the cover. So I'm just using a trim tool here. Okay, so it's just a clips there. So And then after that, you just have to pull this, I think. Sits like that. Okay. It shows here in the new um, gas door, the cover's still there. So I guess, and there's no screws that's holding it. It's just clips here, so you can see that. So I think I just have to pull this. Oh, that's tight, man. Let's see how we're gonna remove this guy. Okay, there you go. Okay. So I have to close this. What? Something still? I got stuck on the fuel filler neck. So just be careful. Okay. So yeah, that's our old one. So now you just have to move this cap and this door itself. So here's a new one. As I can see here, we got this guy here, a tab, and it will just slide in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this out, right? So let's try this. I'm just using some picks. Okay, that's good. It's not that bad. So I just have to pull this up here, this tab, and then slide it out. And now next will be our fuel cap. So I'm just gonna use that screwdriver again and see if we can remove this without breaking it. Okay, so that's not bad. So now with our new fuel door, we're gonna put our cap again, and then our door itself. So I think I did it like this. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to our car and then let's install this in the vehicle. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe this down. And we're gonna put this guy here. Our connector, I got to remove it. We can just remove this guy here, but last time we had this, I removed the main connector at the trunk area because I have to do some testing, right? But we got lucky that it didn't happen during the procedure. So this one is gonna be a little bit tricky. Okay. let me remove this plastic. Everything lines up, just push it. Okay, now our cover. Okay. So now we're gonna go to the trunk and reconnect that connector. Okay, so where's that connector? I think that's the guy there. What am I doing? I'm not supposed to remove all those stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna squeeze in my finger there and grab that. Oh, okay. And now I think I see the connector here. Come on. Where's this facing? Okay, facing like this. Ah. Okay. Oh, okay. I heard a click. So that should be good. Let me just put this back in. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put all the stuff that I removed from the trunk. Okay, so we're gonna check our operation of the fuel there now. So I'm gonna lock this vehicle. I should not be able to open this, right? I'm gonna unlock it. Let's do a couple times now. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I'll show you how to remove that fuel door. It's pretty straightforward, and I hope you like that video. And if you have comments, don't forget to put it down in the comments section. And thank you for watching.